Hi, everybody. Just want to give you a quick update on how to do this whole Shady Sam game. So, first of all, it looks like it's from the 80s, but it actually is going to get our point across very easy. So, you're going to notice that the website is actually going to be literally just shadysam.com, not too hard, and it's going to look pretty basic, just like this. The interface is definitely not sophisticated. So, when it's flashing at you that you have mail, we're going to go ahead and select that. And it's going to kind of give us some different directions. It is only going to allow you to do one thing at a time. So it's going to come on in, kind of describes to you what's going on. I'm very disappointed, et cetera, et cetera. Continue. And then very often what happens is that it's got a knock at the door. We click on it. It gives us a little scenario of what's going on. The fish were really calling for me. You won't believe it. I won a fishing competition and it's enough to pay you all at once. So we can see these loan options. So when we take a look at the loan options that it gives us, the biggest thing that people do is they forget that you are Shady Sam. So you're actually trying to earn the most money off of these poor people and what's happening to them. So you're not the people trying to get the best deal. You are trying to get them to pick the option that is going to make Shady Sam the most money. I hope that helps. It's a pretty short kind of thing, but it can really nail down how loans and interest rates actually work. Good luck.